All right, so we're up front, about to install the front coilovers in. You want to make sure you grab the right one. Yep, you want to make sure you grab the right one for the right side, obviously, and then the left one will have the L on it, but we ain't taking L's out here, so we're gonna go ahead and install this and see how it looks. Alright, so you basically want to take this bolt off, this one back here, zoom into it, and see if it focuses. You want to take that one off, this one off, and these two right here, and then you'll take the top three, and basically the coilover, where this strut comes out, and then the new coilover goes in, and now we got more low. You'll basically need a 19 for these two right here, and a 19 wrench to hold it on the other side. You need a 12 millimeter and 12 millimeter over here. And you get those off. And then I believe the top ones look like they're 12s. So there's a 12. And then the new ones will take, I think, either 13s or 14s. And I believe they're gonna be 14s. So. Nope, they're gonna be 13s because you see it's a little bit loose inside of a 14. So that's all you need to basically install the front ones. So let's go ahead and get it started. So that's the rear one out. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get it out. It's stuck right here. There's the old one. There's the new one. A whole big difference, you know, smaller spring, bigger spring over here, all that stuff right there, it's all different. So let's go ahead and install these. You want to make sure you install basically the camber out like that. So I had to put the camera down, had to use both of my hands and basically install these. But basically these are not tightened down up top, but they are basically kind of like installed. So we're basically gonna put these two bolts in, put that in, and then tighten everything back up. The back is already tightened right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these up when everything's put back on, before I put the wheel in and everything. So hopefully these look super good. I know they already look good in the back, that static life in the back, and then I'm gonna put these in the front. So whew, I'm so happy. It's gonna look so good. All right, so I tighten everything back down, put everything on. All this is tight. These two bolts are tight right here, and then I tighten down the three top ones. So everything on this side is tight. All I need to do is put the wheel back on and lower this side and go ahead and install the other side. So let's see how it looks. So basically the left side is, or the right side is done. I'm gonna go ahead and lower it, see how it looks, and then get started on that front left and be done. Hopefully you guys enjoy. All right, so we're on our last one, and Can't wait to see how the whole car is. But I'm gonna say I did do 45 turns on the front right. This is the left side. And on this side I did 50 turns. So I'm gonna go back to that front right and turn it 5 more times. I liked how the front right looked. I just wanted it a little bit more lower, so I'm gonna go ahead and I went ahead and turned it 5 more times and see how that looks. I still have basically that much left to go lower, but I'm not gonna max it out. So let's see how this 50 turns look like. All right, so I got this bolt, this left side bolt, and I got this one more bolt right here, including the top 3 to finish. But it is starting to rain, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the filming right now until I'm completely done. I want to put my camera inside. I don't want to get it wet, so I will be finishing this up, and I will be coming out whenever I'm done and it's not raining. That way I can just film it. So all right, so I'm basically done lowering the Subaru. I did adjust the camber as much as I could to negative on the 2 outside bolts, because there is the two inside bolts, as you can see. I did adjust it on the outside bolts as far as you can to the inside on both sides. So this is basically how it looks. That's basically how it looks, all lowered and stuff. There's basically a flashlight right beside of it. That's how low it is. So she's all done, lowered and everything. Both sides look pretty even, but I will be getting a alignment done. That way everything looks right, ride is right, and everything. And I do have another surprise for you guys. So if you like this video, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, share it, tell your friends, family, all that to watch this video. And hopefully you guys found this video very informative, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. See you.